From the beginnings of CAD to the advent of cloud, from introducing 3D to investing in AI, Autodesk has been on a journey delivering innovative solutions that inspire designs, connect teams, and accelerate creativity. And that journey continues with the latest release of AutoCAD. We've been unlocking insights and saving you time with automations. And now with Autodesk AI, it's time to take these capabilities to a whole new level. Let's start with one that will help you work more efficiently and stay focused on creating quality designs. Smart Blocks. Smart Blocks is a set of tools powered by machine learning technology that can quickly search for matching geometry to convert into blocks. Place and replace objects within your drawings, and scan for recognized objects to provide recommendations. Or Markup Assist, which simplifies the process of incorporating PDF or handwritten markups from collaborators, converting feedback from the original source to objects, and even using Autodesk AI to recommend and automate recognized actions within AutoCAD. There's also the built-in Autodesk Assistant and My Insights, features that help you work effectively with valuable information. These updated AI capabilities, along with many enhancements to features like Hatch, Activity Insights, and integration for Esri's ArcGIS base maps, allow you as designers and drafters to work smarter and accomplish tasks with precision. And you can further enhance this collaborative experience by bridging design data across CAD and BIM software with Autodesk Docs, our cloud-based common data environment, all while staying connected to one AutoCAD experience to share, review, and capture ideas on the go, from anywhere on any device. Millions of users have put their trust in AutoCAD to power their creativity as they design and make amazing things day in and day out. And as good as it is, we feel like we're just getting started. Welcome to AutoCAD.